Have you ever thought, I'd love to make money with cryptocurrency, but I have no idea where to start? Have you wondered if it's only for experts, programmers, or millionaires? Or if you could get in too? The answer is simple. Yes, you can. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $100 with crypto, even if you're starting from zero. No prior experience, no big capital, and no need to spend hours staring at charts that look like hieroglyphics. But heads up, this isn't one of those get-rich-quick videos. This is a real roadmap to help you understand how this world works and how you can use it in a smart, responsible, and exciting way. Stick around until the end, because what you'll learn today could be the first step toward a change that not only impacts your wallet, but also transforms your financial mindset. The origin of Bitcoin and the power of decentralization. Before we talk about how to make your first $100, I want you to understand where all of this comes from. In 2008, during one of the biggest financial crises in history, a paper appeared signed by someone called Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who that is. It could be a person, a group, or even a myth. But what they proposed was revolutionary. The paper's title was simple, almost boring. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. But inside, it contains something massive. Digital money that doesn't depend on banks, that can't be manipulated by governments, that doesn't need intermediaries to function, that anyone can use, no matter if they have a bank account, passport, or approval. Bitcoin was born as a response to a world where a handful of players had the power to print money, bail out banks, and impoverish millions. Satoshi essentially said, what if we created a system where no one has absolute power? And so, the first decentralized currency was born. What does that mean? There's no CEO, no company, no country behind it. The network works because thousands of people all over the world keep it running, validate transactions, and secure the system. Why is this so important? Because they can't freeze your account because of what you believe. They can't censor your money. It doesn't depend on shifting tax laws across countries, and you don't need anyone's permission to send or receive value. This doesn't mean Bitcoin is anonymous or a tool for tax evasion, but it does mean that for the first time in history, you can truly own your money without middlemen. And that, my friend, is revolutionary. We're not just talking about investment. We're talking about a tool that empowers people in countries suffering from inflation, political instability, bank freezes, wars, and crises. So even though today we're talking about how to make your first $100, I want you to understand you're stepping into something much bigger, a global movement for financial freedom. Why crypto is a unique opportunity. Cryptocurrencies aren't just a fad. They're not some trick to get rich while others do the hard work. They represent a profound shift in how we understand money. Imagine being able to send money anywhere in the world in seconds, paying almost nothing, invest in global projects without asking anyone for permission, access opportunities that used to be reserved for big investors, participate in an ecosystem where even small amounts can grow. That's what the crypto world brings. And the best part? We're still early. Even if you hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT every day, most people still don't really understand how it works. That means learning today puts you ahead of the curve, ready to take advantage of opportunities others don't even see coming. Breaking the myths, holding you back. Before you touch a single dollar, I want to break down some common myths. I need a lot of money to get started. False. There are platforms where you can start with as little as $10 or even less. It's way too complicated. At first, it might sound confusing, but believe me, if you can use WhatsApp, you can learn to use an exchange. It's too late to get in. Bitcoin isn't everything. The crypto ecosystem is full of new projects, tokens, apps, and networks that are just getting started. So if you're feeling nervous or doubtful, that's totally normal. The key is not to let that stop you. Step 1. Open an account with a trusted exchange. An exchange is where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your bank, but for digital assets. Some of the most popular and trusted exchanges are Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, Kraken, BingX. Why is choosing the right one so important? Because they're handling your money. Because you need security, liquidity, and support. Because many offer welcome bonuses and perks just for signing up. Pro tips: use a personal email address. Set a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Complete the identity verification KYC process. With BingX, you can also access social trading, where you can copy the trades of successful traders. It's perfect for those who don't want to trade manually, but want to learn by watching. Strategy 1. Bonuses, promotions, and free money that almost nobody takes advantage of. Many exchanges offer sign-up bonuses, rewards for making your first deposit, cash back when using their cards, temporary contests, and promotions. Real-life examples. Binance. Complete courses on Binance Academy and earn crypto. OKX. Weekly campaigns to win free tokens. BingX. Promotions for new users and a referral program. If you open accounts on 3 or 4 exchanges and take advantage of their offers, you could easily collect between $30 and $100 without much effort. Strategy 2. Staking, flexible savings, and passive income. Staking is the process of locking up coins to help validate transactions on the network. In return, you earn rewards. Flexible savings products let you deposit your coins and earn daily interest without locking them. Practical example, $100 in USDT earns around 5% annually in flexible savings. $100 in BNB staking can reach 10 to 15% per year. Heads up, this isn't magic or guaranteed money. Always research what product you're using, what the risks are, and which coins make sense for you. Pro tip: start with stablecoins to reduce volatility. Strategy 3. Participate in airdrops, the Crypto Ninja secret. Airdrops are free token giveaways from new projects aiming to attract users. You register on their website, connect your wallet, follow their social media, try out their app. Example, Arbitrum gave away $1,200 to early users. Optimism distributed $500 to people who interacted with its platform. Starknet is preparing a massive airdrop for testers. Join Telegram or Discord groups, or follow Twitter accounts like @Airdrops Alert to stay updated on upcoming drops. Strategy 4. Trading carefully without losing your mind. Trading can be exciting, but dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Start with demo accounts. Learn the basics: candlesticks, trends, support levels. Always use stop losses to limit losses. Only trade small amounts. Don't risk your entire savings. On BingX, you can also use copy trading, where you automatically copy the moves of experienced traders. It's like saying, I don't know how to drive this car, but I'm riding with a professional driver. Just make sure to copy only those with a proven positive track record. Strategy 5. Referrals and affiliate programs. The passive income no one tells you about. All major exchanges have affiliate programs. Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, and BingX. How does it work? You get a unique referral link. You share it on social media, groups, YouTube, blogs. Each person who signs up through you generates commissions. There are people with just 1,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram making $100 to $300 a month just by sharing simple tutorials. Tip: don't sell hype. Share your real experience, explain what you've learned, and genuinely help others. Real stories to inspire you. Luis, 21 years old, started with $50, did staking, joined Airdrops, and now has $700. He's not a millionaire, but he understands the ecosystem. Marta, 43 years old, a teacher who used BingX's referral program by explaining how copy trading works on social media. Now she makes an extra $150 a month. Santiago, 28 years old, a graphic designer who tried copy trading on BingX with $100, learned to read market movements, and started trading on his own. None of them started as experts. They all learned by doing. Critical mistakes to avoid. Putting all your money into a single coin, trusting gurus on social media, ignoring digital security, using money you need for essentials. Diversify. Use strong passwords. Activate two-factor authentication. Educate yourself before moving a single dollar. Step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Choose an exchange. I recommend Binance or BingX to start. Step 2. Sign up and verify your identity. Step 3. Claim bonuses and promotions. Step 4. Use part of your funds for staking or flexible savings. Step 5. Join 1 to 2 airdrops. Step 6. Try copy trading or demo accounts. Step 7. Activate your referral link and share your experience. Take it step by step. This isn't a race. It's about making steady progress. Your true first achievement. Listen to this. Your first $100 isn't just money. It's proof that you can learn something new, take action, and stop being just a spectator. Most people just watch others doing it. If you're here, it's because you want to do it yourself. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs this, and tell me in the comments, which strategy will you try first? What topic should I cover in the next video? See you soon. And remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to start, but you do need to start to have the chance to grow.